So this is the MOKiN USB-C hub to HDMI. There's a USB 2. There's one port for USB 2. There's two USB 3, and it's the TF card reader. So it's a multi-function USB-C adapter. So let's open this up and see what we have here. So basically I bought this in order to use the two USB-C in my MacBook Air, the M1 edition, the 2020 edition. So this one has HDMI right there, and so this has USB-C mail to your computer or to your MacBook, and we have here the USB, 3 USBs, 2 USB 3 and 1 USB 2, and card reader. So this is what I'm looking for, so that I could use one of the ports. There's only 2 ports USB-C in the MacBook Air, one for the power and one for an extension such as this, an adapter. So I'm gonna give this a try, and let me get my MacBook here. So basically you just connect this here. So now you have this, and I can now connect external drives here. So let me go get an external drive. So now I can connect my external drive to one of the ports, one USB here. I would say the USB 3. So there you have it. And then I can connect, I can transfer files from the card reader to the external drive. So let me try, see if I can find a card here. Actually, I have an SD card here, the SanDisk, the mini or the micro, and the adapter. So then I can just insert this right there. Now I can transfer my photos and videos to my external drive. That's basically what I needed this for. And you can output one monitor HDMI. So I'm gonna give that a try. This is just an unboxing, it's not a review or anything, and it comes with this instructions or documentation. So that's it. Thanks for watching.